there, my name is Jane Wesley Brooks with JWB Family Law in San Diego, California. Welcome to Tuesday's Tips. Today's topic is, how is domestic violence handled or addressed in the family court? And that's a great question, because domestic violence is very common in family law proceedings, and the standards for domestic violence in family court are different than domestic violence in criminal court. Domestic violence is a very broad topic, and there are many, many different ways that people can commit domestic violence against their spouse or any sanguinal member of their family. And if it is with a spouse or ex-partner or family member, the family court has jurisdiction over that issue. So domestic violence can be anything from yelling, screaming, hitting, punching, mentally exhausting, mentally being abusive, psychologically abusive to spouses or family members, children. If you commit domestic violence with your spouse in front of your children, that is a huge problem, because under Family Code Section 3044, you can lose the rights to have custody and visitation with your children if a court finds that you committed domestic violence in front of your child. CPS can get involved. It may take you up to a year and taking lots of classes under court order before you routinely or regularly see your children again. So be very, very, very careful. We all get into arguments, all of us. Don't do it in front of your kids. Don't run the risk, particularly if you are going through a divorce. Do not run the risk of potentially having a claim of domestic violence against you, because that is going to cost you not only a lot of money, it's going to cost you time with your kids. So domestic violence is taken very seriously by the courts. It's a very broad standard of what is considered domestic violence. If you believe that domestic violence has been committed in your relationship, you need to speak with a family law attorney and ascertain whether you should proceed to a restraining order or how you need to handle that situation in the most appropriate way for you and your children. If you have any questions about domestic violence as it relates to your relationship, your children, your divorce, by all means, feel free to call JWB Family Law. We offer a free 30-minute consult, and it's well worth it for you to find out what your options are. I encourage you to get educated, fact-specific to your situation, by giving us a call if that is an issue in your relationship. And I wish you the best of luck.